Hello children, how are you all? All are fine? Okay. Today in this session I am going to the next lesson in GK. Okay. National symbols. Which is the lesson? National symbols. Lesson number 8. Okay children. What do you mean by symbols? Children, what do you mean by symbols? First, you have to know the symbols which makes us to understand the world. Without symbol children, we can't identify some letters or words, or if we see the symbol we can say this is the state, like that. Okay. Here national symbols, it facilitates in understanding the world in which we live. Where we live in this world, we need some symbols which can be identified. Right. Now it helps us to identify and cooperate in the society through these symbols. Now India is our country, right? So it has certain national symbols that bind all Indians together. So here are some of the symbols where you have to identify. Now India, right? We live in India. India's national animal. Which is the national animal for India? Yeah, it is tiger. What? National animal is tiger. Right. Then, which is the national bird of India? If we see the tiger, we can say this is our national symbol. So, India's national symbol is tiger. Right. National animal symbol is tiger. The next one, national bird. Which is our national bird, children? Peacock. Right. So, national bird is peacock. Okay, national bird is peacock. Next, which is our national game? India's national game. Okay, national game is hockey. Like this, there are different national symbols for each country. Okay. Now, after hockey, which is the national fruit of India? National fruit of India? Okay, mango. Which is the national fruit of India? It is mango. A national game of India? Okay, hockey I have written. Right. Then which is the national emblem? So, which is our national emblem? It is Ashoka pillar, right? Ashoka pillar. So that is our national emblem. So which is our national tree, children? Banyan tree. Which is our national symbol? National tree, banyan tree. Okay, so these are some of the examples of national symbols. Now we are going to write the textbook activity where you can find more national symbols of our country. Children, open your Sem 1 textbook. Open page number 205. Right. So go to lesson number 8, national symbols. India is our country. It has certain national symbols that bind all Indians together. Write their names from the help box. Here certain symbols are given. So we have to write the names of each thing. We'll start, children. Okay. See first one. The dash is our national flag. This is our national flag, right? What is the importance of this national flag? There are 3 colors in the national flag. So what we'll write? The tricolor. Tri means 3 colors are there. So only TRICOL, okay, OUR. So then the second one, the dash is our national animal. See the picture, children. Which is this picture? Which is the animal? Yeah, it is tiger. So the tiger is our national animal, right? TIGER, tiger. Okay. Go to the third one. See, the dash is our national emblem. See here children, there are three faces of lion. Backside also one will be, which we cannot see that. So this is called as our national emblem. The name we can write it as Ashoka Pillar. A-S-H-O-K-A, Ashoka Pillar. Okay. So the Ashoka pillar is our national emblem. Understood? Coming for the fourth one. What is this children? Yeah, it is a flower. Right? So flower. This is the flower. This flower is called as lotus. Which is this flower? Lotus. Dash is our national flower. Which is our national flower? Lotus. So L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. Lotus is our national flower. So coming for the fifth one. What is this? It's a tree. Which tree is this? The dash is our national tree. So our national tree is banyan tree. Okay. So write B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan tree. The banyan tree is our national tree. Then what is the sixth one? It's a bird. So dash is our national bird. Which is our national bird children? Peacock. Right? So write peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Right? Coming for the seventh one. See the picture here? It's a game. Which is this game? See properly which is the game? See, this our national game. Hockey. Which is our national game? Hockey. H-O-C-K-E-Y. Hockey. Again, eighth one. Dash is our national fruit. Which is our national fruit children? This mango. So write mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. So children, you have to finish this. Fill in the blanks which is given here. Write neatly. Okay. Children, we will move on to the next lesson. That is magical words. Children, do you know which are the magical words? Like this can be very used by the people. These words can be used by the people. Almost everyone uses all these words. For example, these are the magical words like thank you, excuse me, hello, good night, good morning. All these are called magical words. Children, if you need a pencil from your friend, how do you ask children? Hey, give me the pencil. Like that you'll ask? No. Because you need it. So you'll ask in a pleasing way. Please lend me a pencil. Right? So that please, that is called as what? It's a magical word where, oh, he is asking me in a pleasing manner, so I should give the pencil. Like that, your friend will give you the pencil. So that words, the pleasing manner, the way you ask, the way you, after receiving, after doing some work, then you have to return it back. While giving, what you will do? You will just give and come? No. Because he has given you pencil, you have to return it. So what you will do after giving? You will say thank you. That thank you also is called as a magical words. Right? Okay. When you come to the school or when you get up early in the morning in the house, what you will do children? Will you wish your parents? In the school, you wish your teachers, right? What do you wish? You just come inside like that itself? Or you will wish? Yeah, we will wish. Good morning, ma'am. Morning, if you get up early, you can wish your mom, right? Good morning, mama, all that. That is called as a magical words. While sleeping, you can say good night. That is also a magical word. Then, while going, if you want to take something, some book, what do you just take your friend's book like that? No, right? You will ask, excuse me, can I take the pencil or book? So that excuse me, these words are very important magical words in our daily life. Children, in this lesson, we can do the activity By seeing a picture, whatever activity pictures are there, you have to write the name of that picture. These are the magical words where you can use. We'll do the activity, children, in the textbook. Children, this is your Sem 1 textbook, right? Open page number 206. Okay? 206. Lesson number 9. Magical words. In the help box, some magical words are given that can make anyone happy. Look at the pictures given below very carefully and write the magical words which suits the pictures. Here are some magical words, children. You have to, the pictures are given, so we have to write the magical words. We'll start. Okay, this is first one. See the picture. What is he doing here? Okay, he's sleeping. His mama is making him to wake up. So morning when he gets up, what he has to answer? What he has to say? Yeah, you all say right. Good morning. Okay, right? G-O-O-D. Good morning. Right? This is a magical word where we use. Okay? Then the second one. See the picture? Both are talking, right? So both are talking. He is saying something. What you have to write the magical word as? Just simply if you talk, they won't listen, right? So you have to ask, excuse me. What do you have to ask? Excuse me. E-X-C-U-S-E-X. Excuse me. Right? So if you ask excuse me, then you can talk. So this is one magical word. Coming for the third one. See? Both friends are shaking their hands. What they'll say if they shake their hands, children? Yeah, it is hello. H-E-L-L-O. Hello. They are introducing themselves. Hello. They are wishing. Okay. Coming for the next one. See the picture? Here the child needs ice cream. So she's asking her Papa to get me an ice cream. So what she'll ask? Get me an ice cream. Like that if she asks, Papa will never bring this. So what she'll ask her father? Please. So please get me an ice cream. So write please. P-L-E-A-S-E. So please if you ask, then it will be a magical word, pleasing manner. Okay. This is fourth one. Please. Coming for the fifth one. See, the boy is giving a gift to this girl. So what she'll do after receiving the gift? What you all will say, children, after receiving the gift? Yeah, it is thank you. Okay, right? Thank you. T-H-A-N-K, thank. Y-O-U, thank you. So she received the gift. After receiving, she is saying thank you. All these magical words, children, you have to use in your daily routine, daily life, okay? So that you learn all these magical words. Then coming for the sixth one, now she is going to sleep. Mama is standing here in this picture. So what she is going to say? Okay, she'll say good night, right? G-O-O-D, good night. N-I-G-H-T, good night, right? So, good morning, excuse me, hello, please, thank you, good night. All these are magical words. Not only writing, children, you have to use all these words also, okay? Write neatly. Today we are going to end the sessions. We have in this class have taught you 2 lessons. 8th lesson, national symbols and magical words. Okay? Thank you.